All right, today, day 14 of 30 moves to 30K, your first deal system. You got it. It is time to hire the contractor. Okay, now some people are like, but Frank, it's carpet and paint, it's cosmetic. I can do it myself, a little sweat equity, and you might be completely right. But here's the thing, when you're an investor, and I know how this goes. Be like, we could save money if we do some of the work. We could even manage the contractors ourselves. This is true. Maybe you could also manage the contractors yourselves. And guess what? Not save anything. I've had it happen both ways. But here's the thing, when you're managing construction, what you're not doing is getting more deals. You're not getting the next deal. Your marketing might not be getting better, if at all. And I mean, all of that might come to a screeching halt. Then you finish this rehab, and now you're getting ready to sell it, and you got to ramp it all up again. It's the old rule. It's much easier to keep a ball moving than to stop, start, stop, start. And that's just life. That's momentum. So don't manage flip projects yourself. Get someone to manage it. If you don't need a GC because it really is that small or simpler project, fine. Get a project manager to do it. Build it into your budget. It doesn't have to be super expensive, and it frees you up to go and do more deals. I will tell you from firsthand experience, when you get your hands into managing construction, it can become like a very expensive job. Expensive in terms of your time, maybe not so great in terms of the return on your time. So let the people that want to manage, whether it's a GC or a PM, and you keep on your task, which is to get more deals into the pipeline while the job is going. So, with that, you want to chat about it? Got a link below and schedule a meeting with me. Hit like, subscribe, you know the drill. We'll see you in the next video.